Put more. Alright.
This is good enough? Let's try this. I know the cinnamon is very hot.
Just do it already.
I feel dumb.
Do it.
You owe me $2.
Whatever. You can't lick it. You can't lick it. Gotta swallow that. Swallow it.
Wait, I have to get it off my teeth.
You can't lick it. You gotta
I
swallow
have to
that.
take it out of my teeth. It is very hard to swallow. Woo!
Can't spit it out.
Swallow some of it.
You gotta swallow all of it. All of it. There's still more.
You're just trying to make me swallow my own saliva.
It's good enough.
I finished it.
Yep, you did a cinnamon challenge. Good for you.
Okay. And you owe me $2 now.
Shut up.